In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a moon to your vector landscape. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and start with the ellipse tool. So here it is. It's sometimes hidden under other tools, so if it says rectangle tool, just right click on it and switch it to the ellipse tool. And then I want to make sure that my fill is white. So I'm going to click on fill, change it to white. All right, so I'm going to start with making 2 circles. So here's my first circle. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw another circle sort of right under it, but I'm going to sort of offset it. Okay, so I don't quite like that placement, so I'm just going to pick this up and move it, because what I really want is this sort of crescent shape up at the top. That's actually what I'm going for. So when I'm happy with this, I'm going to go ahead and hold down my Shift key and grab my selection tool. And holding down the Shift key, I'm going to click so I have both circles selected. All right, when you have both circles selected in your Tools panel, go ahead and find the tool called the Shape Builder. When you find the Shape Builder tool, go ahead and click on it. Now what this tool does is it allows you to combine shapes or take away shapes. This was something that we practiced in your tutorial videos from the previous project. So I'm going to go ahead and hold down the Option key. And when I hold down the Option key, a little negative sign comes up. I'm going to use that to click on my center circle and my top crescent. So what I'm left with is this bottom crescent shape for the moon. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and grab the selection tool and move it and place it where I would like. If you want to scale it down, this is a good time to do that. All right, so it looks pretty good. I just want to do one final effect, which is just like the sun, I want my moon to have a little bit of a glow to it. So I'm going to go to the Effects button. It's on the right side of your screen. You're looking for the symbol that says FX. I'm going to click on this, go to where it says Stylize, and click on Outer Glow. Once again, I want to make sure that my mode is set to Color Dodge. Yours might already be set to this like mine is, because maybe you previously added this effect in a previous tutorial. So once again, I'm going to use that drop-down menu, click on Color Dodge. Then I'm going to click on the little square and change my color picker to the color code FF9100. It doesn't have to be this. You can play around with it if you want it to be a different color, like if you want it to be slightly more white or yellow or whatever. Of course, change it to be whatever you want it to look like for your picture. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I'm going to change the opacity to 100%, and I don't need the blur to be quite as strong since the moon isn't nearly as bright as the sun. So for this one, I think I'm going to set it to 25 pixels and go ahead and click OK. So as you can see, my moon now has a nice little glow to it. All right, that's it for this tutorial.